y dash equal to y double dash in a square root. What is the order? What is the degree? Everything is 2 in this world. Huh? Hmm. Now, degree. Now, degree. Hmm. 2 is correct. 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. What will you do is, you will first cube. So by that you will get double, 3 and 3 got cancelled, but here you will get to the power 3 by 2. In order to neutralize this power, you will again square. The answer will be degrees 2. Got it? Yep. Good, 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 good. You guys are doing good. Good. Easy. Right? Yeah. Kill it, huh? Don't leave a question from differential equation. Now comes the second type of questions. Okay, that is making a differential equation. How to make a differential equation. So now if you'll remember, bete, as I stated in the morning as well, कि भाई in 11th grade you had a sin omega t, right or not? And you double differentiate to get minus a omega square y. Yes or no? Yeah. Y. Yeah. Good. So understand this. For any curve, okay, as a function of x and y, there will be arbitrary constants, right or not? What is the meaning of arbitrary constants? What is the meaning of arbitrary constants? Random, yeah, random, very good. Random unknown constant, very good, very good, right? So, as a general convention, okay, as a general convention, what you do is you differentiate the equation as many times as many arbitrary constants in it. Got it? Okay. So, like if I'll ask you, what is the equation of parabolas? What is the differential equation of parabolas whose axis, okay, whose axis is parallel to y-axis? They are like, ये system है, yes or no? Axis is parallel to y-axis is this kind of parabola, right? Is the order in general, beta? In general, so Kuntal, in general, in most of the cases, the order is equals to the number of arbitrary constants. Okay. Sure. Good. So yes, this is okay. What should be the equation? Equation. X square equal to 4ay. Am I right with the equation? But why? Where are all the like? Is this axis included? Then then that's the only challenge in this scenario. At times, if they don't give you a equation, making an equation should be known to you. Got it? You should know how to make an equation of the given definition. Clear? Here parabola is giving, so at least you can write that okay, it is x square equal to 4ay. Okay, but is the other definition getting satisfied? That is all the parabolas which are parallel to, like whose axes are parallel to y axis, right? See guys, what you have said, surely this type of parabola will have this as a equation, yes or no? No doubt in that, right? But they are saying all the parabolas whose axis is parallel to y-axis. That means this should also be included. Somewhere here should also be included. But your equation is only including parabolas here, right or not? So what change you should bring? Hmm? Hmm? So as we are having an a here, so I'll rather go for x minus p. Yes or no? Hmm? Similarly, don't you think there should be y minus q as well? The parabola should be adjustable here and the parabola should be adjustable here, right or not? Clear? Good. Easy, easy, easy. So how many times will you differentiate? One time. Why? How many arbitrary constants are there? Three times. Why? Why three times? Two times. Why? Why is important? Only P and Q are arbitrary constants. Isn't A is also an arbitrary constant? Yeah, exactly. 3 A, P and Q. So you will be differentiating three times, right or not? First time you will get 2 times of x minus p equal to 4a only y dash. Second time you will get 2 is equals to 4a y double dash. Third time when you integrate, you will get 0 equal to y triple dash. Got it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. The time when all the arbitrary constants are eliminated is your answer. Got it? So the answer, what is the differential equation? The differential equation is y triple dash equal to 0. Easy, 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 easy. Similar question. Now they are now defining, rather giving you an equation. The differential equation of the family of curves y is equals to e to the power cx. Quickly. Y is equals to e to the power cx. You'll be like, enjoy the life, sir. Why? Because, sir, y dash is equals to e to the power cx into c. Yes or no? Right? Sir, as there was only one arbitrary constant, we should, it's not a must case, but we should only differentiate once and check whether there is a possibility of, very good. Ganesh is like, see, sir, y dash is equals to, this is nothing but y into c. Ganesh, beta, can instead of c, I can also write, instead of c, can I also write log y by this one? If I'll take log on both the side, I'll get log y is equals to cx log e, which is 1. So instead of c, I can also say y dash is equals to y into log y by x. Can I write it here? Should it, so that it looks beautiful? That's it. Yep. Got it. But see, you won't have to fight that much. Why will you not have to fight? Because there will be options to give you directions. You getting my point? Last step, see beta. We got here. We don't want, in the differential equation, you don't want arbitrary constant. So you don't want c. What should c be replaced to? So from the first equation, we can calculate the value of c by application of log on both the sides. Clear? Log y is equals to cx into log e is 1. So c is equals to 1 by x times of log y. Clear? Got it? Very good. Someone said 1 degree is greater than 1 or something. Sir, is there any case where degree is more than 1? Last case better? The degree. Acha, degree or not order. Okay. So now see, understand. In the syllabus, if you will read, you have only first order, first degree differential equations. Clear? Good. Quickly. Ready? Good, 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 good. Damn. I hate you guys. You don't remind me these days. Okay, guys. Find the differential equation of all the straight lines, okay, which are at unit distance from origin. Quickly. From the origin, their distance should be 1. Quickly. Very, very good question. Very beautiful question. Quickly. dx by dy or what something. Sure. Sir, if all the arbitrary constants are removed, then it becomes a differential equation, sir. Yeah, then it becomes an acceptable. You getting my point? Differential equation, so it becomes as soon as dy by dx comes. Okay. Y dash equal to 0. First of all, write the normal format. So in the normal format, you are like here ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the equation of a line. Yes or no? But there is something special with the line. What is the special? That c upon square root a square plus b square equal to 1. Yes or no? So instead of c, you can write this. Clear? And in that case, how many arbitrary constants are there? 2. Good. Let's kill them. A plus by dash equal to 0. Yes or no? Now you will check in the options. Now you will check in the options. The options are y minus x y dash square equal to 1 minus y dash square. Okay. Y plus xy dash whole square is equals to 1 plus y dash square. Is it taking any shape? Is it taking any shape? Is it taking any shape? By this only you can guess what should be the answer. Pattern. First one only. Okay. Second, very. This plus, not minus, right? Good. Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Options will help you. Okay. Repeat. Adhiyaman, beta, you received this? Yes, Nirmal, no problem. You received this? Yeah. So now in all the options, like the remaining 4 options also, there is either 1 minus y dash square or 1 plus y dash square. From here, you easily got that what is 1 minus y dash square, right or not? 1 minus y dash square is 1 minus a square by b square or 1 plus a square by b square. Got it or not? Yep. Good. Now, based on the options at front, you have to calculate what is 1 plus a square by b square. Okay. Sure. This is made for that. Clear? Good. One more question, last question. Y is equals to a by where, from where that 1 plus y dash, from options beta, all the options were given in that format. Okay, either 1 plus y dash ka square format or 1 minus y dash ka square format. Okay, find the differential equation of the curve quickly. So again same, this is y equal to a by x plus b, y dash equal to, yes or no? Alright, shabash, shabash. But a shouldn't be there, right? You have to remove a. Adhima, clear? And as we know double derivative, clear? Minus 2 is plus 2a by x cube. Clear? How will we remove? So understand, in order to remove x cube, I'll have to give this part a 2 by x. Yes or no? If I'll give it a 2 by x and then add, so I'll have y double dash plus 2 by x y dash equal to 0. Got it or not? Got it or not? Got it or not? Got it or not? Or what Adhiyaman has written the other way around, right? You guys got it. Now you are trained. Okay. Don't leave a question of making the differential equation. Clear? Sure. Dharni, anything? Dharni. What happened, beta? Yeah, sure, sure. No problem. See, Karaniti, we got y dash, and we got y double dash. With this information, we were done because we are avoiding to move further because there is only there is a presence of two arbitrary constant only, right? We're like the two times done, but still this a is not removed, and it is not going to be removed anyway. We know it. So what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing is, okay. We are trying to arrange for an elimination. In order to eliminate a, we need how much? An x cube here and a 2 here. If that will reach, if we'll add, we'll get 0. Yes or no? That is what we have done. We have sent one here and here that side. Added both. Okay, good. Good. Ready? Now differentiation. Like not differentiation, solution of differential equation. Okay, so there are three types of clear differential equations. One is a variable separable method. One is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, and then at last there is a linear differential equation. This one is the most important one, linear differential equation. These two will also come, but this is guaranteed coming. Okay, so ready? As the names indicate, beta, variable separable. You can easily separate the variables. Like if I'll ask, what is y dash is equals to y log x. This is a equation of family of curves. Now what is the curve? You have to solve it. So first you will separate the variables. How will you separate? Y one side, x one side. Y can be written as dy by dx, right or not? So y coming this side is equal to log s remaining there. This is the answer. When you integrate, you get log mod y. Yes or no? Is equals to integration of log x, please. Integration of log x, quickly. Formula. Yeah. Okay. Plus c. Got it? That is it with the answer. Okay. Okay. Question. What will be the, don't type here because it will take a lot of efforts. Okay. Sure. What will be the solution of the differential equation x to the power ex plus y? Quickly. I'll just take a washroom break. Guys, good. So you are like dy by dx is equals to e to the power x into e to the power y minus e to the power minus y is equals to e to the power x plus c. So the answer is what you have written. Okay, Adhiman, Ganesh, Nirmal, and other friends of mine. Got it? Easy, no rocket science. Okay. So this is first type. First type is easy because it is easier to separate them. Clear? Sure. Sine inverse of y dash equal to x plus y. Quickly. Sine inverse of y dash is equals to x plus y. Quickly. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy. Very easy. quickly आराम से. No one, chalo, I'll solve. Relax. You will be going like, understand this. Y dash is equals to sine of x plus y. Yes or no? No doubt in this. Yes or no? Good. See now, see the beauty. What can you do? What can you do? At max, you can write sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Right or not? Then is that even after that is it separable? then then what are you thinking? I knew that you might have reached there. Good. Now beta, in those conditions convert. Okay, suppose x plus y equal to any number p. Clear? In that case, understand, relax. We get y dash is equals to sine p. Yes or no? Right? Y dash is equals to sine p. Now see, when you do this, 1 plus y dash is equals to p dash. Yes or no? P dash is dp by dx. Yes, good. So when you put it here, you get a lottery. Why? Y dash is 1, okay, p dash minus 1 is equals to sine p. Clear? dp by dx equal to 1 plus sine p. Got it? And now you have the answer. I saw Ganesh even got the answer. Good. So 1 by 1 plus sine p dp is equals to 1 dx. Okay. Please wait, got discontinued due to network issue. Okay, Dharni, no problem. See, Dharni, the question was y dash is equals to sine x plus y. Then we found that there is no separation happening. So we are going for a different approach. What we are doing is we are making this as one variable, x plus y equal to p. Clear? And accordingly we got the answer. Clear? Not the answer, actually an integratable form. Now you guys know how to integrate this, right or not? You very well know how to integrate that. Hmm? Hey guys, don't tell me that. We'll multiply 1 minus sine, right or not? Numerator will be 1 minus sine p divided by the sine square p. Clear? Integration dp equal to integration dx, right or not? Good. Got it? See, understand all these formats. See, once you reached here, this is done by you earlier chapter. Okay, sure. Like our dear friend Ganesh directly wrote that tan of p plus sec of p, instead of p we are writing x plus y. That's it. Clear, 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 clear. Got it? Good. Now see, understand this. This is variable separable. Separation can be done between the variable. They are not entangled with each other. Like the upcoming scenario. The upcoming scenario is about homogeneous functions. What is the meaning of homogeneous equation or homogeneous function? That the degree remains the same, x square plus x into y plus y square. This is a homogeneous function. Got it? Good. Yeah. So what happens in this? In this, we assume y equal to vx. What we assume? Y equal to vx. Okay. Or x equal to vy. There is no harm in that. Okay. So clear? How? So like for example, I'll ask you a simple question. For the equation x plus y dy, for the equation x plus y dy is equals to x dx, what is the solution? So you will be like dy by dx is equals to x upon x plus y. Got it? Now can you separate x and y's? X at one side, y at one side? No. Right? So what will you do? You will put x equal to v into y. So the numerator will look like v into y. From the denominator, you will take y common, 1 plus v. Yes or no? Now in the similar way as the previous one, 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 beta, if x is equals to vy, okay, what will be the value of, okay, or y equal to vx, whatever. So we have put x equal to vy, so we will be calculating what? Y dash. Yes or no? Calculate and put it here. What will you get? Look, y dash is equals to denominator as it is differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is differentiation of denominator whole divided by square of the denominator, right or not? Better Nirbal, that is for this. We have substituted this one, okay? Yeah. So you have to now write it here. So you are like, okay, v minus x v dash is equal to v cube upon 1 plus v. Got it? Now this comes here, this goes there. V minus V cube by 1 plus V, okay, is equals to x V dash. Instead of V dash, I'll be writing dx so that I can see, okay, now they are separated. Yes or no? So once you are separated V and x or any two variables, you are done. Clear? No, this was a made up question, okay? That's why you are not getting a beautiful arrangement. Clear? Now see, let's do a previous year question, like previous year question, or like authentic question. Okay, why to do a previous year question? Question is xy square dy xy square dy minus x cube plus y cube dx is equals to 0. Solve it. solve it. So you are like, okay, हो गया, कैसे हो गया भाई? सबसे पहले dy by dx को अलग करो. Clear? This goes that side. Dy by dx equal to x cube by xy square plus y cube by xy square. Clear? You get x square by y square, right? Plus y by x. Clear? Now it's done. How? See, dy by dx. So we'll be writing y equal to vx, right? Y dash is equals to first as it is differentiation of second plus second as it is differentiation of first. Put this here. So we will get v plus x v dash equal to, what is this? Instead of y, vx. So x square and x square got cancelled, 1 by v square, plus instead of y, vx, x and s got cancelled, v and v also got cancelled. See, this is such simple question. Clear? X into dv by dx equal to 1 by v square. So you know very well that v square is equal to 1 by x dx, or here dv. So v cube by 3 equal to log x. Instead of v, you will write y by x, so it will be y cube by 3x cube equal to log x. Got it? Plus c. Never forget. Clear. Good. This is about two types. Okay. One is linear differential equation and another one is homogeneous differential equation. Okay. Now talking about the most popular one, formula based linear differential equation. Sorry, I said what all done is linear also. What all done is variable separable and homogeneous. Now linear, very important beta. If you are sleeping, get up. The format is y dash plus p y equal to q. Format number 1. Format number 2 is x dash plus px equal to q. In this case, p and q are different functions of x, okay? Or equal can also be, but just in general different. In this case, p and q have to be functions of y. Clear? Good. Now the first job of yours is to recognize which type of linear differential equation it is. Like if I'll ask you a simple question, what is y dash plus 2y tan x equal to sin x? Can you please tell me what is P and Q? First one, very good. Y dash shows you first one. What is P and Q? 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 Two tan x is P and sin x is Q. Very good. No doubt. Good. Relax now. Now there is a format. The first step says you will calculate integrating factor. What is integrating factor? What is integrating factor? What is integrating factor? Okay. Integrating factor and integrating factor beta is a function calculated by integration of P, but not on the ground, somewhere else. What is that place of somewhere else? E to the power. Yes, shabash. Clear? Then, second step is solution. How is the solution given? Solution is given as Q multiplied by integrating factor is equals to integration of okay Q multiplied by no sorry Y multi sorry Y multiplied by integrating factor is equals to integration of Q multiplied by integrating. Got it? लिख लो ये, write it down, then we will solve the questions. No problem. First thing is you have to recognize whether it is first type or second type. Okay, in any of the format, you have to first calculate integration of f. Sorry, integration factor. Okay, the integrating factor is e to the power p dx. P can be second type or first type. If it is from first type, p dx. If it is from second type, p dy. Clear? Function of p and the integration variable should be same. Clear? Got it? Good. Then we write the solution of it. Solution. The solution is integrating factor is e to the power pds. Okay. So solution is y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q into integrating factor. Simple. So now you have a question in front of you. The question is ready? Anyway, the question is always ready. 2y tan x sin x. So you are like सबसे पहले calculate करेंगे integrating factor because you have already decided this is one type, right? Or not? E to the power integration of this one e to the power integration of 2 tan x. Clear? How much? How much? How much? Please, guys, please. Very good. Very good. Secant square x. Okay. Very good. Now solution will be y into secant square x is equals to integration of q into secant square x. Clear? And you have the answer. Got it? By this will be what? Secant into tan x, na? Integration of secant into tan x is secant x. Right? Good. Plus c. Don't forget to write. No, 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 no. Secant and secant won't cancel because there is plus c. Okay? Just for that sake. Okay? Clear? Good. No, better. No, 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 Adhima, no. This y into secant square x. Yeah? Good. Solve this. I'll keep all the formulae intact. Just solve this question. Y dash equal to y by x plus x. Solve. Y dash equal to y by x plus x. Solve. Hmm. Good. Good, 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 good. People are getting it. Very good. So here P is 1 by x and Q is x. So integrating factor will be integration of 1 by x dx, which is log x by x. So y into x equal to, yes or no? Integration of q into integrating factor will be 1. क्या हो गया तुम लोग? Sorry, integrating factor is x. Sorry, my mistake. X square, right? So y into x is equals to x cube by 3 plus c. That's the answer. Okay. Now, what is the answer given in the options is all y equal to. So you will understand by yourself. Sir, y equal to is what? X square by 3 plus c by x. Answer. Clear. 1 by x? Why 1 by x, beta? Why? Arre? Sorry. Good, excellent. This will come this side, yeah. Wow, damn. Beautiful, yeah. Sorry. So same thing with minus sign. So minus log of x is 1 by x. So this is 1 by x. So the answer will be y into 1 by x is equals to integration of q into integrating factor again 1 by x. Oh damn, y by x is equals to x. So y is proportional to x square type. Oh damn. Is there an option like this? Come here, questioning I pray. Yes, there is an option like this. Oh ho 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 ho. Right? Good guys, good observation, very good, very good. You got it, got the method. One question completely on you. Now this is slightly different. What will be the solution of x y dash plus y equal to x to the power minus 2 at 1 comma 2? That's a beautiful one. Solve, आराम से solve, आराम से solve, आराम से solve. That is it. Last question of differential equation. Done. Hey, hey, Shabash. Kaliniti, good. So first thing though, y dash plus 1 by x y equal to 1 by x cube. I'll rather write it like that. Then I'll have, okay, p is 1 by x and q is 1 by x cube. So now integrating factor is, we know x, right or not? We know it. No confusion. So y into x equal to integration of q into x 1 by x square is minus 1 by x plus c. 1 comma 2 implies that at x equal to 1, y is 2. 2 plus 1, so c is 3. This implies that the answer is y x square equal to 3x minus 1. This can be written. So, got it? This is it. Differential equation over. Complete first of all, complete the whole NCERT exercise. And I am uploading a practice sheet for differentiation, differential equation. Okay, both actually definite integrals and differential equation. Clear? Chalo. Take care, guys. Bye. Relax. Bye.